Thank you very much. I was actually with Occupy 50 years ago. Now I'm with Occupy Providence.
Thank you very much.
The rallying cry of the climate movement is to change everything. We need everyone.
Yeah.
We need to change everything to break the chains of predator capitalism. And we need everyone when the social unit of inverted totalitarianism is me and my cell phone. We need everyone when Big Brother is watching me and telling me and collecting my clicks and tells me what to buy next. We need everyone to create a local economy for the people. We have to have publicly owned local power generation and distribution, free public education, and free public transportation. We need to change everything. When National Grid, as Camille mentioned, proposes a 23% rate hike, when our climate champions, the ones who represent our political system, support their push for more fossil fuel infrastructure, more pipelines, while the Resilient Rhode Island Act of 2014 calls for cuts to greenhouse emissions. We need everyone to cooperate rather than to compete, to buy less and to share more. We need degrowth, and we need a 4-hour workday. Degrowth means shrink the economy. I said it, put it on TV, he's nuts. We need to change everything when an anarchist dream of 1900 has become a simple necessity of 2015. We need everyone, and that includes the people of Burrillville who choke on the fracked gas and are poisoned by the fracked wells. And that includes the people in Pennsylvania who live on those wells and are poisoned by them on a daily basis. We need to change everything when industrial pollution in the US is distributed even more unevenly than income and wealth. When one of the world's largest incinerators is planned in Baltimore, when Maryland counts waste incineration as a renewable form of energy and carbon offsets, when such facilities are never ever built in places like Watch Hill, where income rose by 30% since 2008. We need everyone. When carbon offsets are the latest so-called green human rights abuse, we need to put when carbon offsets threaten the livelihoods of indigenous people and farmers, so we can continue another day with our bloody fracked fossil fuels. We need everyone. When Larry Wilkerson, Colin Powell's chief of staff, sees the end of predator capitalism only come with blood in the streets, I see that end come through non-violent direct action and civil resistance. Rosa Parks lost her job and moved north because of that. She was a victim of racism, of inequality, and of colonialism. I have to admit, I am a beneficiary of those. But to change everything, we need everyone. We're all in this together. Peace, social justice, and defense of the environment are a cooperative triad to pit against coercive imperial the triad of war, economic exploitation, and environmental degradation. That's what Jonathan Shell said. I'm also a raging granny. Did I mention that to change everything? We need everyone?
Yeah.